Hi everyone, thanks for watching. This is AMRC and I'm Alex, and I'm very happy to be out here tonight because I have my UMX Conscendo with the added lights. And it's been raining the past few days almost non-stop, and I've been dying to get this out and fly it. I went with blue LEDs this time. I don't know why, just wanted a change, and I think it looks pretty decent. But the real test will be once it's up in the air. So let's go. Okay. See what this baby can do. Oh, I can see it. Oh, okay, yeah. Now it really shows when I see the bottom. I don't know how well it shows up on camera. I'm just gonna cut the throttle now. Let it glide around a bit. It's definitely different with the blue lights. Orientation is pretty easy because it has that T shape. I think wight would have been the better choice for visibility, but it's not bad. And I'm not sure how well it shows up on camera, but I can definitely see it. Got a bit of a breeze going also. And if it goes up too high, I don't know how visible it will stay, but wouldn't want to be flying it too high at night. Anyway, looks a bit like a ghost plane. Yeah, so I said I just wanted to change it up a bit from the white or warm white LEDs I usually use. It's kind of purplish now. And these blue ones. Yeah, definitely I think the white would have been more visible, but it's not bad. And as I usually do, I have these facing the foam, not facing out from the plane. So if you're thinking of doing this and are worried about visibility, you can always do it the other way around, have the LEDs facing out. The only issue with that is if you don't put some on top, then when it's oriented like this, you risk to lose sight of it. And that's why I prefer doing it like this. Although it's a bit more complicated to get them to stick. I'll have a how-to video probably after this flight video, because I have to do a lot of editing. I mean, not a lot, but I just want to keep the essential parts so you get the idea. I have other longer videos. How to add LEDs. So basically these are running off the balance port of the battery 3S. So if I want to use it with 2S, that's not gonna work with the lights. And if I don't want the lights, I just don't plug that connector into the balance port. Ooh, and again, these night flights are fun, but it's cold. My battery's kind of low, 11.4 volts. It's under it's on rest basically because I had no throttle. But I'll keep it going for a minute or two more. I don't think the lights are drawing too much power, but I've had this battery charged for a few days. So I wanted to take it out, and I thought there was no rain, but surprise, there was. And I just let it sit. It's not the smart type, so it won't self-discharge, but I don't know. Ooh. Yep, my hands are freezing. Let me take it up high once more. Ooh, it's really high now. You can see it, but not that well. And yeah, it's visible. I won't lose track of it. I don't know how well it's showing up for you guys on camera. And it's zero throttle now. You know, these lights are gonna continue to draw voltage, but it's not that bad. I think I tested that with my UMX Radiant, but that uses 3 volt LEDs. This has 12 volt. But yeah, drawing these isn't huge. On the Radiant, I think I left them plugged in for half an hour and just got them from full to 4.2 to 3.8, so just storage. I'm not going to be flying this night for hours anyway. Okay, let's see if I can catch this. If not, the soil's pretty wet from all the rain we had. Ooh, and this thing is fast. I think the wind's coming this way. Ooh, got it. And not a bad catch. I do say so myself. Whew, still 11.2 volts in the battery. Again, I'm not gonna do this too long. Ooh, still had 2 minutes 30 on the timer, so it was in a very throttle heavy flight. But again, it was first night flight with this. Happy with the results, but I'm kind of cold. My hands are freezing. So I'm sure more will follow. Also the how-to video. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comments. Like, subscribe. See you next time. Bye guys.